Unlike istorya, tinitindi mo eh. Dapat nagiging awan something na gather ka ng data, evidence na ito, makita nga nila yung anong sitwasyon na hindi mo gagawin yung Pilipinas. Hindi, kanayon na ito every 3 years at the survey. Nag-survey the National Household Survey, every 3 years na ito, next 2023 na dyan, 2026 na dyan sa Barno. If the result na dyan, 2023 National Household Survey, na DJ survey can at the somewhere around 1.4% of our population are engaged or are current users. So DJ, no, kung to DJ, alam DJ figure mo, pagpalagay mo na lang 100 billion. So, ano din yung 1.4%? That's about 14,000. There are 14,000 Filipinos last 2023 who are into drugs. So, in other words, sinalunod ka naging expert, naging doktor. So, of this percentage, manong dapat isang recognize patient. Siguro about 1% to 1.5% per annum. So, kinumpute mo yan, so that's about 14,000. So, in other words, there are about 14,000 Filipinos. Ngayon, nung kita ang naging resources to gobyerno, ano ba naging treatment center? Ano ang manahik? So, inalamig yung population, naging treatment centers, there are about 6,500 patients, both private and government. At dapat remaining balance na. So, yan ang naging yung tatao dati yung so, masabot tayo, papigsahin tayo, yung community-based drug rehabilitation program tayo. With this facility, I'm sure